Hello and welcome to EV Insights. On today's episode, we are going to be focusing on Tesla's latest news. First, we'll be looking at the latest Tesla software update. Tesla discounts set to power quarterly revenue growth, hit profit. And then, to how Tesla Cybertruck to debut with 350-mile range, skip 500-mile trim for later. Tesla App 4.23.2 Release Notes. Energy Graphs. Refreshed energy graphs for solar and Powerwall. Editor's note: the updated energy graphs in the energy section are now easier to read and understand. They also feature an energy flow table at the bottom that displays how energy has been imported and exported for each system component. The buttons to display or hide each component's graph have been moved to the bottom in the energy flow section. The impact section of the app remains unchanged in this update, however, it may only be a matter of time before that section is updated as well. Apple AirPlay. This update adds a reference to Apple's AirPlay technology that allows audio and video streaming from an Apple device to supported hardware such as a TV. It appears Tesla is starting to implement AirPlay to allow higher quality streaming of audio and potentially video content to your vehicle, according to findings from Tesla App iOS. This isn't the first reference to AirPlay from Tesla. Last year, Elon Musk said that he would discuss with Tesla engineers the possibility of added AirPlay support for better sound quality. Tesla discounts set to power quarterly revenue growth, hit profit. Tesla's strategy to boost sales through price cuts is likely to have powered its strongest revenue growth in 5 quarters, while dragging down margins to a 3-year low in the April-June period. The Elon Musk-led electric vehicle maker has since late last year launched a price war to stoke demand and quell competition from legacy automakers such as Ford Motor and Chinese rivals including BYD. Tesla's earnings on Wednesday are expected to show its gross profit margin declined to 18.9% in the second quarter, according to 19 analysts polled by Visible Alpha. That is a drop from 20.2% in the previous quarter and 25.9% a year earlier. The only reason Tesla delivered slightly more cars in the second quarter than the previous 3 months was because it discounted heavily at the cost of its margins, said Vitaly Golub, an investment banker who focuses on mobility. It is clear they are very much a car company with the same supply chain and demand pressures as other manufacturers. They even have a growing inventory of their 3- and 6-year-old design Model 3s and Model Ys, and really seem to have hit a certain saturation point on demand. The world's most valuable automaker produced 13,560 more vehicles in the quarter than it handed to customers. While that gap narrowed from first quarter numbers, it's a concerning trend for the company that predicted in October it would sell every car it manufactured in the foreseeable future. A lack of new models has also made it tougher for Tesla to take on rivals in China, where an uneven economic recovery and fresher, glitzier offerings from local players have weighed on demand. Tesla booked record deliveries of its China-made cars in the quarter, but its share of the country's pure electric and plug-in hybrid market fell to 8.8% from 10.5% in the first 3 months of 2023, according to a Reuters calculation based on numbers from a Chinese auto industry body. Tesla's market share for the EV segment is likely to decline over time, said Morningstar analyst Seth Goldstein said. However, I think the more appropriate metric to look at is Tesla's total auto market share, which continues to grow as they continue to grow deliveries. Charging ahead. As EV sales slow, Tesla has been moving aggressively to capture a larger share of the U.S. charging market in a bid to diversify its revenue. It is tied up with companies including Ford Motor and General Motors for use of its North American Charging Standard (NACS), a move that has helped its market value more than double this year to $880 billion. Following these partnerships, several charging companies said they would adopt the Tesla standard. While this will contribute little to second quarter revenue, which is expected to rise 45.2% to $24.59 billion, according to Refinitiv, analysts predict it will boost the company's top line significantly in the future. Piper Sandler estimates Tesla's revenue from its charging network to hit $9.65 billion in 2032, with more than half the sales coming from EVs made by other carmakers using its network. Tesla Cybertruck to debut with 350-mile range, skip 500-mile trim for later. If true, the Chevrolet Silverado EV will remain king of the range wars with its 450-mile battery. The much-anticipated Tesla Cybertruck may debut with a battery pack that's capable of delivering 350 miles, 563 kilometers, of range, according to the Twitter user Bearded Tesla, who claims he had confidential conversations with 3 persons in the know. If the rumor turns out to be true, it would mean that Tesla's first-ever pickup will fall short of the 620-mile, 998 kilometers, range touted when the Cybertruck made its debut back in 2019. It will also be less than the Chevrolet Silverado EV's 450-mile, 724 kilometers, driving range, but on par with the dual-motor Rivian R1T. Only the Ford F-150 Lightning, with its maximum driving distance of 320 miles, 515 kilometers, when equipped with the extended range pack, would be one-upped by the rumored 350-mile variant of the Cybertruck. At the same time, there's also the GMC Hummer EV3X pickup that recently got a range boost to 381 miles, 613 kilometers, for the 2024 model year, with the American automaker saying that it will go into production later this year, stopping short of offering an actual date. Tesla's all-electric pickup officially started production last week, with the Gigafactory Texas team posing for a photo next to the vehicle, almost 4 years after the model was unveiled as a prototype in November 2019. Back then, the Austin-based EV manufacturer's website said that the boxy pickup would come to market with a choice of 4 powertrain options. Single-motor rear-wheel drive with 250 miles, 402 kilometers, of range. Dual-motor all-wheel drive with 300 miles, 483 kilometers, of range. Tri-motor AWD with 500 miles, 804 kilometers, of range. Quad-motor AWD with 620 miles, 998 kilometers, of range. Pricing was announced at $39,900 for the base RWD variant and $49,900 for the dual-motor AWD trim, but in 2021, Tesla removed all pricing and specifications from its website, so we don't know what the Cybertruck will actually cost when it goes on sale later this year, possibly in September. However, seeing how Chevrolet chose to kill the $40,000 variant of the Silverado EV, Tesla may go on a similar route and ask more money for the Cybertruck than originally planned. As always, we'd like to know what you think about this, so head over to the comments section below to give us your thoughts. To help us reach more people on YouTube, please like this video, and to stay updated with the latest news about Tesla, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notification. Leave your feedback, thought, and idea, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.